On the off chance that you're searching for Nexo cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Nexo will go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of Nexo and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally inconceivable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Nexo is $130 and Nexo is presently positioned #107 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Nexo is 560,011 with a market cap of $726, 738, 746. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Nexo's cost has shown a decent increment of 302% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Nexo was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 65%. Nexo has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Nexo value expectation adding machine. Our Nexo expectation mini computer utilizes progressed calculations and AI models dissect a huge swath of elements, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give a thorough forecast of Nexo. Just info your ideal time period and see the likely anticipated worth of Nexo. Our mini computer will produce a far-reaching rundown of month-to-month cost expectations. We foresee future Nexo cost expectations. Nexo conjecture by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized examination on the past value information of Nexo. We give our all to gather greatest verifiable information for the Nexo coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Nexo market cap, Nexo volume, and hardly any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Nexo value forecast outline. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $266 mark. The typical extended cost for Nexo in 2030 is supposed to be $14.8, with possible fluctuation somewhere in the range of $13.67 and $16.65. Long-haul examination recommends that Nexo cost might actually flood to $12.25 by 2050. Nexo is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $786.50 constantly 2040. With the ongoing cost of $130 at, Nexo holds its ground on the lookout. Nexo value forecast 2024. The cost of one Nexo is supposed to reach at any rate level of $154 in 2024. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.84 with the typical cost of $0.60 all through 2024. Nexo value forecast 2025. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Nexo is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $231. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.66 with the typical worth of $0.37. Nexo value conjecture for 2026. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $349. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $398 with the typical exchanging cost of $359. Nexo value forecast 2027. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $512 in 2027. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $617 with the typical cost of $526 all through 2027. Nexo value expectation 2028. Nexo cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $716 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $857 with the typical figure cost of $742. Nexo value forecast 2029. Nexo cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $980 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $12.43 with the typical figure cost of $10.17. Nexo value forecast 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Nexo, in 2030 the cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $13.67. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $16.65 with the typical exchanging cost of $14.8. Nexo Value Gauge 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Nexo, in 2031 the cost of Nexo is estimated to be at around a base worth of $9.70. The Nexo value worth can arrive at a limit of $23.52 with the typical exchanging worth of $20.26 in USD. Nexo Value Expectation 2032. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $29.50 in 2032. The Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $34.91 with the typical exchanging cost of $30.31 all through 2032. Nexo Value Forecast 2033. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $41.67 in 2033. The Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $51.23 with a typical exchanging cost of $43.19 all through 2033. Nexo Value Estimate 2940. The reception and certifiable use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with viable applications and far-reaching reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Nexo cost figure for 2040, Nexo is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $786.50 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Nexo coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $633.61, while the typical cost of the Nexo for 2040 is projected to be $694.94. Nexo value conjecture for 2050. Looking at authentic execution gives setting. However, it is critical to perceive that previous exhibition isn't characteristic of future outcomes. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of Nexo is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $1066. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1225 with the typical worth of $121. Nexo Value Estimate Facts. What amount will Nexo be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Nexo will have a base cost of $8.57 and a greatest cost of $7.16 per Nexo. Since Nexo is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth changes definitely. What is the eventual fate of Nexo? The fate of Nexo is profoundly reliant upon the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Nexo, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right technique. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with a helter-skelter risk profile. In any case, still a fantastic speculation for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position, notwithstanding its theoretical nature. Nexo likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing biological system. What will be the Nexo most elevated gauge cost for 2024? The Nexo cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.84